Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the transfer safe and fast. Plug both phones into power and join the same Wi-Fi. On Samsung, open Smart Switch and export data. On iPhone, start setup or open move to iOS. Once ready, pair devices via the temporary Wi-Fi created by iPhone and enter the code. You do this because a direct local transfer copies more than cloud sync. It preserves contacts, messages, photos, and some app data. Now accept permissions and continue to the next step. You now pick what to move. Check contacts, messages, media, and calendars in the Move to iOS app. Once you confirm selection, the Samsung sends encrypted data over the private connection. Keep both screens on and stay close. If prompted, grant storage and SMS permissions so items transfer cleanly. You do this because interrupted permissions cause partial restores. Continuous power prevents mid-transfer shutdowns. While it runs, watch the progress bar and note files listed as skipped, so you can handle them manually later. You finish by completing iPhone setup and signing into your Apple ID so apps sync. Once done, check contacts and photos, re-download free apps from the App Store, and sign into accounts that couldn't transfer. If specific files are missing, use Smart Switch on a PC or manually move media via USB as a fallback. If something goes wrong, restart both devices and retry the move to iOS step. That fixes most issues because temporary network glitches or permission denials are usually the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.